Hi everyone, we all have a question why we need to colonize Mars. Here is my answer to that, and what are the rules to be done as an architect? It's a question mark for all of us. Here is the answer to that. Establishing an extraterrestrial colony in Mars is the base for the survival to the fitness as well as increases the space economy, and it's a survival of at least a portion of humanity in the event of global disaster on Earth. As an architect, our role should be in structural design, space optimization, resource management, environmental sustainability, as well as in the human centric design. Let's we move on to the Mars evolution. Mars evolved in the same timeline as shown as Earth, with similar properties, light difference in the daytime as well as the atmospheric gases. For example, with maximum carbon dioxide and less traces of oxygen, here we also note the daytime difference. In Earth we have 24 hours, in Mars we have 24 hours 37 minutes, as well as it's about 687 days in Mars. Next we move on to the site selection. It is very important to see and identify which landform is suitable for the habitat to land. So as I studied and go through all the landforms such as volcanoes, valleys, dunes, etc. From that I pick four places, that is Jezero crater, Gale crater, Mawrth Vallis, as well as Temperature. With an comparative analysis, I end up by picking Mawrth Vallis as my project site. Let's we move on to Mawrth Vallis. Mawrth Vallis is basically present in Arabia Terra. It's a valley with various sedimentary rocks, clay minerals. The basic notable feature here is in Mawrth Vallis, it's a layered terrain which has evidence of past water flow. It's a great thing which has an evidence of past water flow, as well as rich in minerals such as iron, magnesium and aluminium, which was very much useful for our construction as well as protected area from Martian earthquake. Let's we jump on to the concept. Colonizing Mars, it's not a single day or a single month process. It's about 100-year process. We need to sketch it from the scratch as a concept and implement to the site. On the top left corner, you can see the 100-year process of the evolution. On the below that, you can see a habitat, a single module to the branched colony module. On the right corner, you can see the physiological and the psychological aspects changes in a human body while traveling from Earth to Mars. Let's we jump on to that habitat module. I plan the habitat module to be an ETFE deployable structure like an umbrella. It's a verdi dome, it's a green dome concept in which we can install the plan inside the module, which is the kind of an umbrella thing with the string made of aluminium panel and the exterior surface is made of ETFE. We can fit it to a spacecraft. We can launch through human orbit. It will take 6 months. Once the module prototype has launched, it started to deploy, and the habitat will be a place to settle for the researchers, and from that they'll start the 3D printing process. 3D printing, it's not a easy thing because we can't use the raw regolith. We can mix with titanium as well as with basalt fibers to make it as a composite material and use it for the construction. From that, this is the process from a single habitat through a colony, through a prototype to a 3D printing colony is the basic thing. Here I have attached a conceptual ideology. You can see that. Further slides are the floor plans of the prototype as well as the colony floor plans, sections and elevation and views, which showcases how the spatial arrangements and the habitat gonna work. Here we all have a question how we can live in Mars without electricity. Yes, we can live in Mars with solar panels, with producing solar energy for electricity as well as Sabatier process. We can recycle carbon dioxide, nitrogen to oxygen as well as here propose closed loop system. We can recycle our own waste and produce it as an energy and consume as a agent for the power unit. We can see the cliff cut modules which are green domes. We can save the plants over there in control condition as per in earth. As well as I have designed plug-in pods due to more accommodation of people. We can plug and play and use as a habitat for while during the space tourism if more people are gonna accommodate en mass. Here I have attached the complete journey to Mars. Please watch. Thank you.